You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these confusing words once and for all correctly. We're going to break it down into syllables. British English and American English pronunciations are similar here, so it's easy once you know discrepancies. Let's break it down. Discrepancies. The stress is on the second syllable. Discrepancies. You have a very long E sound at the end and a Z sound or a Z sound, so it's not discrepancies. 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 And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.